Dorothy, I'm going to show you how to double your Thieves Foaming Hand Soap so you save money and your product will last longer. So you'll need to grab a full bottle of the Thieves Foaming Hand Soap, and then it's nice if you have an empty one on hand, but if you don't, you can just pour half into a clean container. So what we're going to do is, I'm going to do my best to pour half into the empty bottle.
Shall I zoom in?
You can. We do have a funnel, but I guess I opted not to use the funnel. But that is an option. I'm just going to eyeball it here to about half. And then we're going to boost it with some Thieves Household Cleaner. If you have the small bottle of Thieves Household Cleaner, you can use a capful. But if you got the big guy like I do, I'm going to use a teaspoon. So I'm going to go really nice and slow and steady measuring this out, because it can be tricky.
Did you spill?
Nope, not yet. See? Steady as can be. We'll do the same to the other side here. Whoa, that came out a little fast. But we'll drop that in.
Can't believe you didn't spill.
I did a great job of not spilling. This is where the funnel would come in handy to avoid spilling. And then we're going to add a few drops of each, 3 to 5 drops each of lemon into each one. And we're going to add 3 to 5 drops of Thieves as well. And this is going to give your hand soap a little boost. You don't have to worry about dilution making the product less effective or not as cleansing, because we are adding the household cleaner and essential oils to boost it back up. If anything, we're making it more powerful when we dilute. The last step is to add filtered water. So this big jar here has been boiled and it's all filtered. Just make sure you don't go completely to the top on this one, because we still have to add the pump, and that takes up a little bit of room. So if we fill it too full, we will explode it. It will overflow. So just make sure you leave a little room on the top. Then put your pumps on and give it a little, make sure they're on tight, and then give it a little shake so that you can mix it up. And that mixes nice and well. And do the same to the other side, and there you go. You have 2 hand soaps for the price of 1. If you have any questions, let's chat. Send me an email, send me a message on Facebook. I'm always up for chatting about how to achieve a toxic-free household.